Lessons continue for a handful of children at the Ruth Gorse Academy in Leeds. 90 children out of 10,000 across the trust are attending lessons. Many are children of NHS staff and other key workers. But the man in charge is worried, saying teachers and children need personal protective equipment if coronavirus is not going to spread here.
Let's not forget that many children are asymptomatic, so we don't actually pick up any information about the virus that they could be carrying. Many of the children, of course, are very young. Some have learning needs. That means that they are not necessarily going to be able to operate within some of the social distance guidance that we've been given. So it's really important, actually, that this whole area is taken very seriously. Because if we're not careful, the hubs are going to become a breeding ground for contagion and for that spread of virus.
But should schools be a priority when doctors, surgeries and dentists say they're struggling to get hold of protective gear?
We don't expect to be ahead of medical professionals, social care workers who are operating in society with some of the most vulnerable people in society, but I do expect at least to be part of a plan.
Across Leeds at Ollerton High School, they've been making their own protective visors and donating them to community nurses and major hospitals.
On Tuesday we made 50 and they went off to the LGI, and someone put a post on Facebook and it went viral, and we got a lady from St James's coming in requesting some more. So now we're making loads, and we've had lots of requests from various sort of health people around the area to make these face masks.
We've been given some eye protection, but we haven't got many of those. But we felt I would feel more protected with my face covered up. That's why these visors are so important. Mr. Nicholas, thank you.
Tonight, as this community nurse took away masks made by school children, the government said it was working to make sure schools and hospitals had the cleaning and protective equipment they need. Ian White, BBC Look North, Leeds.